I have just seeded this tray with snapdragon seeds, which are very, very tiny. And one of the ways I keep the little seed, because it's close to the surface, from drying out is to put a little bit of vermiculite sprinkled over the top of the cell. And I just take it like this. I don't like the vermiculite under my fingernails, so I wear gloves. But I just sprinkle a little on the top over the seed, and the seed is really just sitting right on the surface. So this also helps it get good contact with the soil. And then once I do this on the whole seed tray, I will put warm water on the tray and let the water soak up. The vermiculite swells up and retains that moisture to keep that seed from drying out.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.